Center, state-of-the-art technology that will allow our partners and our members to connect all around the world, named for Mary Gates, who taught Bill Gates philanthropy and was a community volunteer in Seattle, and then a national volunteer, and then international volunteer. Let me finish with a few non-US examples. The community chest in Korea is $270 million US in giving a year. They have online applications that allow individual consumers to go online, make decisions about their own volunteering, their own giving. The other thing that they've done is they've worked with the mass transit system in Seoul, and there's a fare card in Seoul brought to you by the community chest, that if you swipe it one time, you pay your fare. If you swipe it a second time, you've made a contribution to the community chest of Korea. Brilliant connection in terms of getting to scale through a channel that most people hadn't thought of. The United Way in Bangalore, and this is increasingly happening around the world, instead of having volunteer opportunities always through an intermediary, they have an online application that allows you to connect your need with somebody else with a certain set of skills, and you connect individually within a marketplace. The United Way in Mumbai, India, after a series of floods that we all see in the news, decided that they needed a better way to connect people to services. They took this 211 idea in the US, created the Mumbai helpline, and connect now people all over the city in terms of where are the services, if you've been displaced by floods, just getting information out to folks in terms of the coming disaster. I just got an email from our CEO in Mumbai last night who shared with us that they had just finished a 2-month engagement of 2,500 college students in Mumbai that connected through social media and through the 211 helpline to around malaria information campaigns. And so going into the slums of Mumbai, organizing themselves using social media, these college students, to give health information to folks in the slums in terms of how you avoid the contraction of malaria. We will, on December 5th, participate in the UN's International Volunteer Day with our first global day of action. We'll have United Ways in Ghana, in France, in Brazil, in the Philippines as a part of that. But the point is that it's really the mobilization and the connection of people within communities and across communities. And I'd finish with this in terms of why civil society cares about this. If you believe that we are either today or increasingly becoming a global community, in my experience working for community-based organizations my entire life, is that communities are successful when there's balance between the marketplace, government, and civil society. There is never, in the history of the world, long-term sustained economic or political success without human success. And in our view, the only way that you have human success is making sure that human beings can connect with each other and have a channel to the market for economic opportunity and to government for representation. So we're thrilled to be a part of this. We're glad you're interested. Know that you have an increasing number of civil society organizations that want to partner with you in creating a better world. Thanks very much.